If you want to become a hacker, you will need to learn Python. And you can learn Python with your phone. You don't need a laptop or desktop to learn Python. You will use an app called PyDroid 3 in your phone to write the script and execute this script. Please like and share my video to support my channel. Today we are going to code a Python script in our phone. To begin, we need to download an app called PyDroid 3. Once you open the app, save the file. Select the folder. We will call our program hello.py. We will begin by making some variables. What is your name? Then we will make another variable called age. And a last one called occupation. Then we are going to print this information out on the screen. So we will use print first the name. Name is then the age and the occupation. And at last the occupation. Then we will save it. Now we have successfully created a program with our phone. Let's
Execute the program by clicking on the yellow button. Here you can see our program is running without any problem. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe my channel to access hacking videos, programming and basic.